Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious cocktail sauce. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of good quality ketchup, 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish, and 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce and a few dashes of your preferred hot sauce. A pinch of salt and some freshly ground black pepper will round out our flavor profile perfectly. This easy recipe comes together in just minutes. Now let's combine everything to create that perfect blend. In a medium bowl, mix your 1 cup of ketchup with 2 tablespoons of prepared horseradish. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This adds a wonderful brightness. Then, add 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce for a deeper, more complex taste. Finally, a few dashes of hot sauce will give it that signature zing. Mix thoroughly until all ingredients are well combined. The beauty of homemade cocktail sauce is its customizability. Feel free to adjust the horseradish to your liking. Add more for a spicier kick or less for a milder flavor. If you prefer a tangier sauce, incorporate an additional 1/2 teaspoon of lemon juice. To balance any acidity, a small pinch of sugar or 1/4 teaspoon of honey works wonders. Always taste and adjust the salt and pepper until it's just right for you. Once your cocktail sauce is perfectly mixed, it's time for the final steps. For the best flavor, chill the sauce in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This allows all the ingredients to meld beautifully. Serve this vibrant sauce with classic shrimp cocktail, fresh oysters, or any of your favorite seafood dishes. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where they will stay fresh for up to 1 week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.